Zabi Alonso Akwaba, and then Minyan, but he has a lot of work to do in the team. Our coach, so and this is the most competitive.
Is he the right man for the job?
I don't want to go there.
The Chelsea job.
How can I appropriate American back one? Ejumano Akofano, Ejumano Ejumakitwa. This is the most competitive league he's going to coach in. League Nogago coaching is the most competitive league he's going to coach in. And yet two-way club like Barcelona, Real Madrid. Sorry, as here. So we know this league is the most competitive league Akoko coaching. And this is a league where there's investment in any league in terms of the class. Mid-table clubs can invest 500 million to 1 billion pounds sterling in a season. And so the quality variation and sonsa to Wejumaye pa. Team Nankasa players no it was Subani be he need to cure it. The dressing room has gone down, he need to deal with it. The culture of the club before it comes to India here. Moka when we go listen. Player bia or nimbo bia or ego. Player bia. Player papa bia in the history of football or ego. Or nimbo bia or ego. And that generation crowd the West or nim trim minukra na man of fans and one. So you have a Chelsea team where half of the team have ego. You need to manage it. Real Madrid, ego no more free. He couldn't manage it, he couldn't handle it. Won't tell me handle big club when you can't manage ego. He's a matchup. That is the crack of the matter. Put tactics aside. Say team na sumjeni ma tactics in fasobi enisu. You need the players. Some bobo no more. The players must play for you. But I say we near my players to be jiwa tum and some about. And yet they need tactics. Personal relationship need camaraderie. In Kambom Nintia, when you build that among players, is far more important than attack. They will play the ball for you. Tactics going to you. Almost number taktics now.
So, and to ask, so the situation at Chelsea and the situation at Madrid are Emani Philly and difference in man.
It's about him. Lessons, they be a mikate. Our for Jaya na Baku and I'm to go into another marriage. Forgetting that a DNA maware gu ye de nyansa na musiem film before menya botrese san ne man ma 2-1 na more before me call the next one more. It's up to him, the coach. Ye wan na more 2 yam 1 or Real Madrid. So Sebiu, he should learn that lesson. Na unye mo obeye a bema san ne man NCB. For the challenges players who your coach be a players who give you challenge. Players be brave, they will test you. Players, that test you. Policies are to the discipline, they will test it. Be flat show. What will be your reaction? And no, train your mind structure back over Bob Bonuka touching baby. It's all about testing one. Coach Nakasa will resolve as a coach. One Kasa Sebiu, who you be a okan uyo. Who you be a no nonsense. Yeah, they will test all that. He need to. Player better me a fucking or dress room. He should be ready for that. It happens. But how ube manage atia CSS and mano a cabo no bon players there. Sebi only a place. He himself has been a former player before. Unfortunately, he was a nice guy. And that generation in 90s all no bresso. On tia CSS and then yani bresso and tianeno on sia Ganacho onyade. Nenso nenisun so ade. But it's a part of your team. Enzo oyade but nenisun ade. You must learn to manage that. They be a mama example. This is Jose Mourinho or Madonna can say Ronaldo Mboade. It was when he left because you needed Ronaldo to succeed. Players be or attitude. Manage the attitude and get the result. Man, Konyani too personal. Debbie, you need the result from him. You need him to play well. Here, at the end of the day, Alonso is about the results at Chelsea. Nobody cares about the challenge. They know the challenge. Into the do about best of it.
Come and face it.
Yes, when you are made a leader, you talk less and make sure that you are producing results. It's the result that will speak for you. And you can't say, in Chechim there, say, interpret and come on coach, and learn to improve the players and get the result. How you get it, they don't care. That's why they are paying good money. That's what it is. And on TRC, one team managing the egos are remembered. He failed in that quest. Managing players' ego, bringing them together. Men come way there or a mini part because it's super no. Team sir.
We're very challenging from a distance. From how I know see rising. okofa Madrid crash ye and they oba Chelsea sa anji say when to me anya dwuma na anya baba be ye middle place
temu na muzo no
coach baba be ye say
Tottenham you see no crane say he was a good player, but the problem is that as a coach he has not shown anything. Leverkusen is not the top club. John prove it. That's all about Real Madrid. I told people he will fail because Onye ready for a job like Madrid job. Onye ready for Madrid. The expectation was so power.
I remember exactly our discussion on the first day of our
Mekato say Enfa. Onye draw a reasi bibia ya shas every baby and now so fem no sorry a reasi sanet here. What do I say? The difference between a woman that is a virgin near bar. Sebi wa funny memo edum pepper. So what the difference is always that because of experience when who was seeing maybe a few mistakes being, but the virgin is not going to learn it anew and or learn it anew in a marriage, it can cause the marriage. So when you cannot say there, it's very very important. I use such example because it makes it easier for you to apply. Or no, I feel no about mistakes from our anymore.
These are practical examples here.
But nipa na make us or no bahanumasa wanya. Shock baku mienu bi wafufa nemo bi enti se sia no wasua awiase mu nyansa enti okọ nenim no neme bi o ye first onye bio wanya sua ho enti okọ nenim no obe make sure se bio na ware no obeto na mopa ba we dey fresh green na yes or green there nenso green won so sa na we akoye so they senti or a brilliant player coaching the Sebio Leverkusen or ya there but the measuring standard of an elite coach Enye Leverkusen is about coaching big clubs and making impact with big clubs. Now you have opportunity at Chelsea. Why mistake you palm no problem. Let's hope say was BB every mistakes no or Madrid. Some mistakes no this time no obem manage players no ego ye and then ego no and then no player no on imboka kra no ego su chen Zidane ahanti also ni breso no enye sa players sa no mutiene. And a major headache and the English Premiership, every week in and week out, league no shares here. Pressure, Oko Barcelona. Say Tottenham and Kwa, about Tottenham. Oh, City. You have Liverpool to play. At the end of the day, you have Manchester United to play. Then you have the mid-table teams. Obo Newcastle, Krobebre.
There's no rest.
What do I say? Obo Everton, and the match be anywhere who go and I say Emre. You have about 10-15 clubs who prepare. So a different from the La Liga. Barcelona, Real Madrid. So his work is cut out for him. It's possible he might succeed, but then you su any Sianwa when you free Madrid mistakes. That's it. If he's able to learn, then you make better adjustment here and appreciate the players and begin to make them a solid side by bringing them together and fixing a system about bringing the best out of the players. Sorry, I say. I'm Amory to move for Menti. What about team member 3 back down? Players Eddie bought 3 center back, only Buzu got 3 center back. I go see say. Until I'm say instead the culture of a Kuna Wabim. A Kobia one the culture. Sorry, I say. Now make up CAF Confederation Cup final.